Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 494 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that we'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, reversal, easy, setup, quick, profit, my simple trading secret. So, title's a little bit strange, but I mean, obviously, they seem to be implying that this is a reversal strategy, can give you quick profits, and it's a simple trading strategy, even though they call it a secret. And so rarely do you find a secret strategy that people don't know about. And so, yeah, nonetheless, we'll put this to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings and just double check that it's set to a length of 14, a multiple of 1, source is closed, and everything else stays on the default settings. And so the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Extreme Trend Reversal Points. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. Again, we'll jump into the settings, we'll scroll down and turn off the labels and lines. Then in the inputs, just double check that the source is closed, type is SMA, length is 20, level is 10, range percentile is 20, extreme range percentile is 45, and the percentile history is 1000. And uncheck if it is checked the real-time alerts and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for a red arrow like this here from the Extreme Trend Reversal Indicator. And at the same time, we're going to look down to the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator, and we want it to have a green cloud like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see a really nice strong push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the green arrow like this here from the Extreme Trend Reversal Indicator. We're then going to look down to the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator, and we want it to have a red cloud like this here. And that'll be our setup for a long trade. We'll put the trade right here, put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. This one takes just a little bit longer, but you can see that we make a nice steady push to the upside, getting us to our take profit.